Hello friends. Today I'm going to explain you how to trade in our victory dashboard. Basically trading in the index using our victory dashboard. So this is our victory dashboard, the new improved version that you can see. So there are things that you should be very much careful to start with in trading index. On the left hand side, we have the force in the index. And on the right hand side, we have the OI. So both are two different things, but both are very much important for the market sentiment or to gauge the market move. So on the left hand side that you see, what we have is the force. So this green color that you see, 124, it is a score indicating the force in the market at the current point. So for example, if you are at 2 p.m. and this number will show a score of 124, which is indicating a strong number, okay, in terms of the bull move at or the bull side move at 2 p.m. So basically everything, there is a dissection starting from zero. So anything above zero is bull side, anything below zero it's bear side in the force terminology. But as the four increases, right, this is the basically every minute as the data refreshes, you will get a score. So you see the force number 37.9. This is nothing but the force at 1229 that you can see. Similarly, the force ended at 124 by 3:25 p.m. Okay, so this number, the more the number, the rising the number, it indicates the market is moving in the good direction, or we can say upside direction or bull side direction. And at the same time, you also have the top last 10 digits or last 10 numbers basically to basically show you. So for example, at 122, then it switched to 123, it remained at 123 and then made jump to 124 and so on, and 125. So from left to right, basically right to left, as you can read, basically it will show you the strength, whether it is gaining or it is losing. The same thing you can also see in this particular trend as well. So if it is dropping, the trend is dropping, you can see the numbers also going downside, with 124 being the latest number at the current time. So this is one. The second side of the thing is the OI. Now OI is also same thing. If it is increasing number, which means the market is on the bull side. If it is dropping, then it means the market is on the weaker side. So below zero is weak, above zero is bull side. Now uh, we have this particular two charts, and below is also a chart that some experts can refer, but as a novice or as a beginner, I think you can also reference only these two charts, and then the fishnet chart, which is at the bottom. So this chart is similar to the above chart. The only thing is this is a summarized view of the force, but this is at every stage or every time. This shows a kind of that respective candle, or you can say the respective at that time, how much was the force for that particular time. But here we have tried to compute it in a summarized way. So an expert can refer this chart, but the view and the decision making will definitely be the same. So you can see the green bars are all on the, these bars are on the upside. So this indicates a bull move. There is no or slight, you can say, bars on the downside, not slight, even I see all the bars on the upside. So this is the reason we had the total summation of the force on the bull side only for that particular day, which is on this example is of 16th of August. Similarly, OI, as you can see, so this red mountain is going downside. It is nothing but the call rate is getting exited. So there is a fear in the call writers, so they are exiting. So and then put writers, you can see the green mountains on the upside above zero, which means the put writing is going on very nicely, and that's the reason you can see this line is also going upside. So for a simple trader, you can always keep these numbers on focus, this numbers in green, okay, on. So BP is nothing but the OI, and force is what you need to continuously monitor. Okay, if the numbers is dropping, definitely you have to be cautious. Now, important thing and the new feature what we have launched is about this red lines and the green lines that you see. Okay, so while you are reading the charts and seeing the data, but as soon as you see a red line, Okay, that red line is basically, these two red lines is basically reflecting these two uh, rows. Okay, these two strikes that have come in the fishnet. So which is 24,400 put, twice it has come at 939 and 945, right? So that's the reason we have this two lines appearing. This indicates, red line indicates there is a bearishness in the market and there are two strikes available. Okay, one line represents one strike. So at two times it has appeared. So this will give you indication that there is something in the fishnet to look into. So what we will do at this stage at 938, as soon as you see our 939, 24,400, it was, the price was around 154 and there is a man running symbol here. So what we'll do, 24,400, I have already kept it open. At 939, you see somewhere around here. So we already caught the move. Okay. So around 155. So immediately you can directly, without any haircut, you can enter here 155 and you see the rally, how nicely it has moved actually. In the next, you can say from 939 till 1025, in 1 hour's time, it moved almost 100 points. For a person who wants to book quickly, you can easily get these trades with 20, 30, 40 points, you can book easily. So this was one indicator, and this, you can see the line is moving downside, the force is moving downside, and force is minus 17, as you can see here, right? So I'm also, so you're reading this data, if the number, the force is below the black line, which is zero line, it will indicate that market is still having a bearish sentiment. Similarly, on OI side, you can see the number is also -7, which means it's also bearish. So you are getting a good judgment of the market, that market is in the bearish mode. With these two lines, you can start your trade and keep trading or keep a trade active unless and until you see the numbers rising. So you see it is, you traded somewhere around here. Okay, the number has gone deeper into red. You can remain in the trade. As soon as you see from -1.17.9, it has now moved from 15, from 17 to 15. You see there is something building up, right? So here you can book it at around close to 1052 or 1058, right? So this is one methodology of how you can continue in your trade using this method. Now, as you can see, the market switched on 16th of August. Okay, the market switched into a drastic mode, and that change came at 11:30. So 11:30, 24,500 call appeared, okay, at 72 rupees. Now this is, as soon as you see this has appeared, it's a green line, which means it's a bull move. Okay, so there is a green line indicator which tells you that the market is switching now to the bull side. Okay, and also you see this is also indicative in the chart. So from -17.4, it has actually jumped to -3, which is almost, now it is trying to move above the zero line, trying to move to the bull side. Similarly, the OI is also switching. You see, there OI was 11.8. It has now trying to switch to 11 -8. Okay, from 11.8 to -7.92, which is also good upside move. So slowly we are moving towards up. So similarly, we quickly go to 24,500 put. Okay, and we would see at 11:30, you can directly onboard at 11:30. Oh, sorry, it was 24,500 call in Nifty. We will take it from here. So here you see at 11:30, somewhere around here, the price is 62. You can directly jump here into the trade and you can see nicely it has moved. Okay, it has moved very much nicely. 115 here you can basically book because it is touching the +2 SD as well. Here you can book it. So from, you can say 66 to almost 114, easy 60 points within less than 1 hour. And you can remain in the trade. Okay, like I said, you can remain in the trade, and if you see a dip coming in this line, you can move out from your trade. So this is how easier it is now to trade using the victory dashboard. I hope this will help you guys to trade and your basically index trades, make your life easy with the data, and everything is on your fingertips now. Thank you.